All right, we're going over my 3 favorite exercises today. So I got a couple full bodies and something that's amazing for your core and your lower back. My first favorite exercise, actually my favorite exercise of all time, I literally have it tattooed on my ankle, so that's how much I love it, is a deadlift. We're gonna start off with a kettlebell one, so I will do a video on barbell in the future. This is a very basic deadlift demonstration. I will get a little bit more in depth, I promise. These are the 3 main cues I give when I'm teaching a deadlift for the first time. I want that weight super close to your body, so when we're deadlifting with the kettlebell, our feet are straddling the kettlebell. We're gonna keep a neutral spine, so I don't want you to pull your shoulders back. I don't want you to hunch your shoulders forward. Nice, good posture. I have a video on posture. I will link it. First thing we're gonna do, relax the knees. We're gonna push those hips back for our hinge. Spine is coming with us. We're gonna bend those knees, grab that weight, push that floor away to stand all the way up. And from here, we're gonna shave our legs with our weight to hinge and then bend those knees to lower down in between our feet. So we're pushing the floor away, hinge and bend, shave those legs. So my first favorite exercise is a deadlift because it works the full body and it makes me feel strong. And when I feel strong, I feel confident. My next favorite, we have a McGill curl up. So this is amazing for your lower back and your core. So if you have lower back pain, I will give this one a try. So we're gonna be on our back. One knee is bent, one leg is out straight. It doesn't matter which leg's out straight. You don't have to alternate or whatever. I don't care what you do with your hands. Across your chest, out to your side, behind your head. If you're behind your head, we're not pulling on our neck. We are going to lift our shoulder blades off the floor. I just have the top of my shoulder blades off the floor. I'm thinking about tucking my ribs towards my hips. I'm not pressing my lower back into the floor. Keeping that neutral spine is gonna make sure we're not irritating that lower back. And then we're gonna hold for 5 seconds. Brace that core. We are breathing and we're coming back down. So this one is super great for the core. Helps you brace, helps alleviate some lower back pain. And then my last favorite exercise, I have a unilateral kettlebell front squat. So we're gonna take a kettlebell, we're gonna put it on the back of our forearm. Thumb is gonna be about at our collarbone. We're gonna keep it up nice and high. I love this one because it works the legs, but it also works the core. We want it to be a little heavy, and we're still gonna keep that squat form to go all the way down. So I don't want you dipping towards that weight. I don't want you overcompensating for that weight. We're still gonna drive through the heel, underneath the big toe, underneath the pinky toe, lead with the hips for the squat. Nice neutral spine, standing all the way up. So those are my 3 unconventional favorite exercises. So next time you have a full body day, throw all those in there. And don't forget, you can do hard things.